Hello everybody, Sebastian here from Umcebo Forex. We're just going to do a wrap up for the month of July 2020, just to go through the account and show you what we did. So last month I believe we made 5% on the account balance. This month we started something new and exciting. It's HF copy. So that previous account was used to gain track record so that we could be approved by Hot Forex, whom we are affiliates of, they're the broker that we use. They've approved our account, and as of 38 days ago, we are now available as a strategy provider through the Hot Forex platform, where you can copy our trades. You follow us, and basically your account then will simply follow ours, exactly the trades that we do, how we manage the trades and everything like that. So you don't have to do anything basically, you can just copy it. We do still do everything else where we provide signals and things like that where you can trade for yourself and manage your own account. Also, I should mention with the copy trading, you can close positions whenever you like. We don't hold your funds, it's in your own Hot Forex account. You can unfollow us at any time as well if you want. You're in full control basically. But if you'd like to leave it and let it run and follow our account, you're more than welcome to. So let's get into it. So I'm just looking at FX Blue here. I do use my FX book. I use FX Blue and also the Forex Factory system that shows you analysis on your account. But we'll start off here. So we started with a balance of $5,000. Our current balance is $5,653.45. You can see there it's a real account, and it did start off a little bit rough, the month. But we surged ahead in the final week. So we finished with a total return of 13.1% in 38 days. We averaged 6.5 trades a day, with a profit factor of 1.41. But what I'd like to show you most importantly is this here, our risk-reward ratio. We managed to achieve a risk-reward ratio of 2.46, which is absolutely fantastic. Also, I'll get into that when we get to the my FX book analysis, because it shows some other details that this one doesn't. But I wanted to show you this as well, consecutive wins and losses. So typically when we lost, we'd only lose one trade. When we won, on the other hand, when we won, we'd typically win more than one trade in a row. Our worst consecutive losses was 8 consecutive losses in a row. That happened once. But our best was 16 consecutive wins in a row, which is really, really good. I mean, on the previous month, I think we had 17 wins in a row and we had 12 losses in a row. So this month is looking much, much better. Let's go across to the My FX book. If we look at My FX book, I think this is just taking 30 days. That's why the percent return is a little bit different compared to the FX Blue, where it shows 38 days. But in here we can also see some pretty good stuff. We did 241 trades, and we won 65% of our longs and 61% of our shorts. We have a positive expectancy, so we are trading positive, which is absolutely great as well. And then let's move across to this. This is the risk of ruin. So there's literally a 0.01% chance of us blowing our account if we continue to trade the way we're doing. And again, also less than a 0.01% chance of losing more than 10% of our account. We'd need 31 consecutive losing trades for that to happen. You can see here, it was, okay, there we go. This is the monthly gain and change. I'm going to shoot across now to the Forex Factory analysis as well. So here we go, 13.1% net return. It's only logged the 246 trades. We've had 157 winning trades and only 88 losing trades. And if we go and look at the instruments that we traded here, we were most successful on the pound dollar. We made an 8% return just trading that instrument. We were relatively diversified during the month. You can see all the different currencies that we traded. We also traded Bitcoin, and we also traded gold. Gold against the euro as well as gold against the USD. So I'm just going to log in now to my Hot Forex and just show you what this copy trade is all about. So here is the hot Forex under strategy provider, strategy list. You can see we're coming third at the moment in terms of net return. We're making 13.1%. We have been only trading for 38 days. It says 40 days here because that's when the account was registered. But most importantly, we have a stability score of 1, which is the top stability score. So that's to do with your risk management, like how well are you managing your risk. So the chance of us blowing an account is relatively low. We had a drawdown of 11.48%. For us, that's actually high. We usually don't draw down more than 10%, but still, it's still acceptable. If you look up at the other accounts that you can follow as well, they're not associated to us. Their drawdowns were higher than our drawdowns, and they have been trading longer than us, other than the account at the top here. The account at the top here has had 32% drawdown, but it has had quite a good gain. We're following a very stable system. We sit in front of the computer all day, every day, trading, managing our trades, and taking cognizance of what's going on in the world by listening to all the news all the time and using that to feel the vibe of the market. So when we trade, we use technicals, but we align our technicals to what's happening in the world. And that's why we believe our system is a very solid system, because we take into account all these different factors. So again, if we just have a look at what we've achieved, 13.1% on our capital. Our aim is between 5 and say 15% per month. So we did really well this month for August. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it gives some insight. If you have any questions about what we do and how we trade and everything like that, please feel free to contact me at any time. We have a team of traders and business development people as well to help you with your trading. Okay, thank you very much. Chat to you next month.